In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make to Notion using tokens, triggers, and actions, providing a seamless workflow between these two powerful tools. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to create a Notion integration, which essentially means generating a token. Start by navigating to Notion Developers and selecting My Integrations. Click on New Integration to get started. Here, you'll need to fill in some details. Choose a name for your integration. Something clear like Make Automation works well, and associate it with your Notion workspace. When setting the capabilities, decide what permissions are necessary, like read or write access, based on what your integration needs to do. Once you've completed these fields, hit Submit. This action will generate your internal integration token, a crucial piece of information that acts as your API key for Make, so be sure to copy it for future reference. Now we'll share your Notion database with the integration. Go to the Notion page or database you want Make to interact with. Click Share, then Invite, and select the integration you just created. Double check that the permissions, whether it's reading or writing, are correctly set up to match your intended workflow. Moving forward, let's focus on logging into Make. Head over to make.com and either create an account or log in. Once you're in, click Create a New Scenario and select Notion as one of your modules. This step is pivotal as it sets the stage for connecting Notion to a variety of triggers and actions. Triggers and actions are the next focus. Triggers are what kickstart your automation in Make whenever a specific event occurs in Notion. For example, using the Watch Database Items trigger will initiate a process whenever a new row is added, while selecting Watch Pages will trigger whenever a page is updated. Conversely, actions are tasks. Make executes either in Notion or across other configured apps. Some examples of actions include create a database item to add a new row or update a database item to modify an existing entry. Let's finalize the connection between Make and Notion. In your scenario, click on a Notion module and select Add. Then choose Notion Connection. Here, you'll need to paste the integration token we copied earlier. Specify the workspace and database you want Make to access, and you're all set. With everything connected, it's time to map the fields. This involves aligning the fields in Make with their corresponding fields in your Notion database. You can also incorporate dynamic data from other apps like Google Sheets or Slack into your scenario, allowing for robust automation. Lastly, it's crucial to test your setup. Click on Run Once to check if the data flows seamlessly between Make and Notion. Once satisfied with the configuration, simply set your scenario to On to activate automatic automation, and you're good to go. And that's how you connect Make to Notion with efficiency and ease.